Hi, in this video we are going to see how to install Microsoft Teams on your Android mobile phone. So first of all, we have to click on Play Store to download the app. So just click it on Play Store and this window will pop up, and in the search bar I will type Microsoft Teams. Type Microsoft Teams. Okay. In the search bar type Microsoft Teams and search it. So you will see this icon. Okay, so this is the basically the Microsoft Teams icon. This is the app which we want to install. Okay, now click on the install button. Click on the install button. As soon as you click on install button, your downloading will start. You can see the downloading is started. It is 30% downloaded, 40% downloaded. Okay, so this downloading speed will depend upon your connection. Okay, if it is a broadband connection, it will download in few seconds. Like you have seen, I have a broadband connection, so it only hardly took 10 seconds to install downloading. Okay, then the installation will be there. It is installing. As soon as it install, it will give this icon to open. जब आपकी ऐप इंस्टॉल हो जाएगी तो यहाँ पर लिखा आएगा इंस्टॉल. दिस मीन्स द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स इज इंस्टॉल ऑन ए मोबाइल. Now it is ready to use. Now I will click on open. Click on open. As soon as you click on open, now there are two options. Now we have to sign in. You have to sign in. Click on sign in using the Microsoft ID. Click on sign in. Okay. So I am using my account. This is my Microsoft Office account. So you have to enter your child's Microsoft account. Okay. So just select it or type it. Okay, now you have to enter your password. As soon as you enter a password, so it will prompt to this page. Now click it on next. Next पर click करिए, फिर next पर click करिए, फिर next पर click करिए. As soon as you click on got it, so the Microsoft Teams is there for you. Okay. So you can see the Microsoft Teams. Now this is the process how to install and log in into your Microsoft Teams on mobile phones. I hope this video is clear to you and it will help to log in into your Teams account. Thanks for watching.